The Lexus RX launched in 2023 showcases the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and sustainability. This model stands out in the hybrid SUV segment with its exceptional features and advanced technologies. The 500 Hybrid signifies Lexus's ongoing commitment to reduce its carbon footprint while maintaining the elegance and performance that Lexus is known for. The exterior design remains true to the brand's luxurious aesthetics. The RX features a bold spindle grille flanked by sleek LED headlights that add to its aggressive stance. The vehicle's aerodynamic profile, coupled with its 20-inch alloy wheels, give it an undeniable road presence. It's a vehicle that turns heads, highlighting the brand's commitment to artful design and opulence. Under the hood, the vehicle sports a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 308 horsepower. This powertrain provides smooth and responsive performance, making it perfect for both city driving and long-distance road trips. The hybrid system is refined, offering excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on power. One of the standout features of the RX is its advanced safety suite, the Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0. This includes features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and adaptive cruise control. It's a vehicle designed with the safety of its passengers as a top priority. The hybrid SUV also offers ample cargo space, a crucial factor for many SUV buyers. With the rear seats up, the vehicle offers 18 cubic feet of cargo space, which expands to 55.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. This makes the RX an excellent choice for those who need practicality and space in addition to luxury. In terms of driving dynamics, the RX strikes a good balance between comfort and sportiness. The SUV's adaptive variable suspension system can be tuned to the driver's preference, offering a range of settings from plush and comfortable to firm and sporty. The 2023 model of the Lexus RX is a well-rounded luxury hybrid SUV. It merges a powerful hybrid powertrain with a lavishly appointed interior, advanced technology, and a comprehensive safety suite. While staying true to its roots in luxury and performance, Lexus has demonstrated with this model that sustainability and efficiency can indeed coexist with luxury and refinement. Attention to detail is a key theme in the RX. Features like a panoramic moonroof, ambient lighting, and hand-stitched leather detailing add to the feeling of luxury. The cabin's design is not only stylish but also functional, with thoughtfully placed controls and ample storage spaces. The quietness of the cabin, thanks to excellent sound insulation, further enhances the sense of refinement and tranquility. Inside, the Lexus RX doesn't disappoint either. It's plush and luxurious, with high-quality materials such as semi-aniline leather and wood trims adorning the cabin. The vehicle can comfortably accommodate up to 5 passengers, offering ample headroom and legroom. The seats are designed with superior comfort in mind, featuring heating, ventilation, and power adjustment options. The model also excels in the technology department, boasting a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system comes integrated with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The Mark Levinson sound system, a 15-speaker setup, ensures a top-quality audio experience for all occupants. Finally, it's important to highlight the ownership experience that comes with the RX. Lexus is renowned for its excellent customer service, and the ownership package includes services such as complimentary maintenance for a certain period and 24/7 roadside assistance. Combined with the vehicle's strong reliability record, owning a Lexus RX is as hassle-free as it is luxurious. The Lexus RX, with its stunning design, luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and efficient hybrid powertrain, truly stands out in the crowded SUV market. Whether it's for city commuting, long road trips, or family vacations, this model offers a comfortable, safe, and efficient option for discerning buyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.